have a look at this beautiful place. It's a Baffa Khair Maidan, Tablighi Ijtima, and the people are enjoying it. You can see people across this river Siran. Both sides of river Siran are occupied by the peoples that came from far behind and different walks of life, and they are now participating in the Tablighi Ijtima in Baffa Mansehra. This is a very beautiful place, a place which is, I think, is a hotspot for different kinds of tourists. People need to come here and enjoy the beauty of this land. This is a very, very amazing scene. People are happy with shining faces. They are respectful to each other. They are peaceful, having peaceful mind. Here you can see that people are offering different kinds of drinking waters, sharbat, teas, foods, and this is an amazing experience in my life. I have never seen this kind of hospitality before. In this huge number of peoples, the peoples which are living nearby are offering different kind of food items. Yes, hospitable peoples. Hospitality is on its peak. Yes, this is a beautiful way to offer your teachings, to offer your amal. Here is a beautiful scene that peoples just came here to help others, to help the suffering people that are coming from far behind, and they are stood up here in the different ways, different paths to welcome the peoples. This is very amazing, and this is the true teaching of Islam. Yes, there is a beautiful environment. People are enjoying the beauty of this place also, with the blessed minds, with the blessed hopes, with the blessed souls. Here is, you can see a huge number of people, almost I think 250,000 people are here. So come here whenever you